Here is how to use ChatGPT to make your first $100 online. Let's start with the like button because I'll put a link to this website there. You're already aware of what a fantastic ChatGPT is. The first strategy suggested by ChatGPT for making money online is selling goods or services online. The second option is to launch a website or blog. Making investments in equities or cryptocurrencies is the third option. The fourth technique involves completing online tasks or surveys, and the fifth involves launching an influencer marketing campaign. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let me now save you some time. Selling digital goods is the most effective approach to generate income online, because you just need to make the product once and can sell it repeatedly. The profit margin is extraordinarily high. It is also free to create digital goods. As you can see, one of the easiest ways to generate money online is to sell digital goods like ebooks or courses. I'll now demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to build an ebook, and I'll go into more depth about how to make money off of your ebook in a moment. Simply build the item once and sell it frequently to make passive income. Let me now demonstrate how to quickly build a fantastic ebook using ChatGPT. We must choose a topic first before we can begin writing your first ebook. What kind of ebook should you produce utilizing ChatGPT then? If you want to make money selling ebooks, you must first sell things that customers are interested in. As a result, you're interested in learning about the most well-liked nonfiction books categories. The quickest method to find out more is to ask ChatGPT. I'll just list the nonfiction book genres that are most in demand. Even if you are unsure about the kind of ebook you want to create and sell, ChatGPT can aid you in your investigation. To find out what is popular and in demand so that you may produce ebooks to meet the demand, you ask ChatGPT about the most popular nonfiction book categories. Write a book that nobody wants to buy. Don't you think it would be a waste of time? As you can see, the topic covers a wide range of fascinating concepts, including those related to biography and memoir. Business and finance are two most popular topics. History, self-help, and personal growth are additional topics. Ask ChatGPT to come up with some additional ideas if you need more. If none of these 10 suggestions work for you, ask ChatGPT to keep coming up with others. New concepts are currently emerging in areas such as knowledge and references, nature and the environment, art and photography, etc. As a result, these are all excellent suggestions. Let's use business and finance as our illustration because it is an intriguing and inclusive category. We can ask ChatGPT to suggest some subtopics if you want to generate even better concepts for a nonfiction book. We don't want to write a general business and finance ebook because it would be too wide and unfocused. Selling it will be very difficult. So let's ask ChatGPT for even more creative suggestions. What subtopics, for example, are included in the suggestions? What subtopics, for example, are included in the business and finance category? We may then wait for the ChatGPT to reveal some of the most well-liked subtopics in order to create a better design for our ebook. Business and finance as a whole covers a wide range of topics, including marketing and sales, economics and financial markets, management and leadership, entrepreneurship and small businesses, personal finance and investment, real estate and other topics. Choose the one that best appeals to you. Take entrepreneurship and small business as an example. We are now prepared to begin writing the ebook. Let's start by asking ChatGPT for an overview. I'll just put together an outline for a book about small business ownership and entrepreneurship that resembles this. ChatGPT will arrange the book for you and provide a table of contents with the chapters clearly arranged. In addition to other things, we'll include an introduction and a chapter on the definition and overview of entrepreneurship. We'll now copy the book's outline from ChatGPT and put it into Google Documents. We already have the book's whole outline. We now want ChatGPT to begin composing the brochure for us. We'll begin with an introduction and definition of entrepreneurship in the first chapter. Just make a single copy of the chapter name and paste it into ChatGPT. You only need to choose it, copy it, and then paste it into Google Docs when we ask ChatGPT to write the first chapter of our ebook. This is the book's opening chapter. After that, we just go on the following chapter, going back to ChatGPT. I'll copy the chapter name from the page after this one. I'll entrust ChatGPT with writing this chapter. The second chapter will be this one. ChatGPT will compose the chapter in our seed. We pick it after it's finished, copy it, and then put it into Google Documents as usual. We simply keep using this method, copying and pasting chapter 3, 4, 5, and so forth as ChatGPT types them up. We'll have our complete booklet typed out for us in just a few minutes. By the way, you can simply ask ChatGPT for further writing if you think a chapter is too short. ChatGPT will keep updating the chapter with new sentences. You can now make your first booklet using ChatGPT. Simply choose the PDF documents from the File, Download menu to download your ebook as a PDF. You should post your ebook to a website after using ChatGPT so that you can sell it. Gumroad.com is one of the many resources you can use for this. This platform is accessible from anywhere. After that, kindly let me know in the comments section where in the world you are seeing this video. I'll be able to make movies in the future with content unique to your area thanks to this. As you can see, if you like, you can utilize Gumroad to sell a PDF ebook in addition to other types of digital goods. Gumroad's advantage is that there are no ongoing fees, making it free. Other sites frequently demand that you pay a substantial fee, such as $30, $40, or even $100. You are not required to pay any monthly fees to use Gumroad. They only demand a 10% fee if you generate sales or make money. Because you can sign up for Gumroad for free and just pay when you make money, it's a great option. For instance, Gumroad will remove $10 in usage costs from your $100 profit from the sale of your ebook. All you need to do to generate traffic once your ebook is prepared for Gumroad sale is to advertise it on social media. To get people to visit your website and buy your ebook, you can use Gumroad, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.